Ayan, so sinasabi nga na kapag may bagyong dumating sa buhay mo, ay may magandang bukas na tinatahak. So nanakawan din, yung 'di ba, nanakawan ako ng bike at sobrang na-frustrate ako noon. No, so pero ganun pa man, sana doon sa nagnakaw ng bike ko ay nakatulong So ngayon ay nagpa-order ako ng bagong bike So ito na siya. At unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa aking employer kasi installment to. Ginamit yung credit card niya. Yan, so kung may mabait kayong employer, ay kayo ay makakatipid. Kasi makakapag installment basis yung ating ating bikes. Deliver na nga. So flex ko lang sa inyo muna itong ang mga accessories na free dito sa bike ko. So, ito yung waterproof bag, from Kumis. Lock, napaka tibay niya. So, meron ditong, saka ko na lang kung yung klaseng lock to. So, magmamadali tayo kasi tutulungan pa ako ni Lolo na buksan tong bagong deliver kong e-bike. Ayan. So, ito ay may pre na ding helmet. Yan, tingnan niyo yung helmet ko. Helmet. Napakaganda ng helmet. So, at meron na ding pack ng tools. So, ayan yung tools. Pre na din yan. Worth 1,000 shekel lahat yan. Tsaka itong tools na to. Tsaka yung phone holder. Yan, for free. Ito na din, napakaganda nito. Itong pump. So, pwede siyang sa bola. Meron na siyang ganitong accessories. At syempre, sa gulong natin. So, tatawagin ko na si Lolo ko. Titingnan natin itong bagong deliver na aking bike. Ayan, so ang pangalan ng aking bike ay Shark 3.0 Pro. Siya ay 48 volts and 14 ampere. Yun ang ating So, dati siyang mga kasmail ay, ang pinaka-price niya ay 5,670. Pero, sale. At a monthly, kung kayo magbabayad ay 308 shekel. So installment yun for 12 months. So yun ganun babayaran. Dahil nag-upgrade tayo, pinili natin yung magandang battery, yung 48 volts and 14 ampere. Inabot siya ng 3,990. Pero kung 48 volts and 10 ampere lang ay 3,690 lang siya yung price. So tingnan natin. Tawagin ko na si Lolo ko para tulungan ako mag-open itong bike.
Michelle, if you are satisfied, I'm satisfied.
Nakita niyo ba ang aking Lolo na mas excited pa sa akin? Kaya pinapabayaan ko lang siya na siya mo talaga ang magbukas ng box para makikita ko yung kaligayahan niya. Nadaig pa niya ang may-ari ng bike at ito nga, enjoy na enjoy sa kanyang pagbubukas at pandalas na naman. Sa video na ito ay makikita ninyo kung paano kami mag-usap ng aking lolo, kung paano namin pakitunguhan ng isa't isa at makikita nyo dito sa video na to na daig ko pa ang tunay siyang lolo. So, isa ko siyang amo pero parang apo na. At tunay na pamilya na ang kanyang pakikisama sa akin. So, kaya ako ay ayos ang aking pagtatrabaho dito sa Israel.
Wow.
Oops!
Wow. Look.
How nice. Nako,
Yes.
very nice.
Choo.
Oo
Michelle, you know what?
In-order namin ito ni Lolo online pero ang sabi nung online seller Pwede na daw nilang buuin itong bike, pero sabi ni Lolo, ayaw daw niya. At mas gusto daw niya na kami yung dalawa ang mismong magbubuo nitong bike, kaya mas exciting daw yun. Kaya heto na nga, at talagang kami nagpakahirap na kami pa ang magbuo dito sa bike na to. See, Ami, how is the heavy? Oh, wow.
Look.
How
You can.
Yes, Ami.
Oy, oy, oy. 1 minute. Take the chair.
And also the chair, how it's big.
About 1 minute.
No, only not to the perfection.
Ah.
You know, Ami, it's good
What?
it's good this box na po.
Yeah. Take this, put it here. One minute, Michelle. Oh.
Tama talaga ang lolo ko na mas exciting na kami ang magbuong dalawa kaysa i-deliver na na-assemble na lahat yung bike. Leia, don't cry, Leia. Engineer nga pala ang lolo ko ang work niya dati. Kaya mahilig siya sa mga ganitong mga pag-assemble na mga bagay-bagay. We need to fit something.
Michelle, we need to cut. No, I have here. I have.
Ami. Hindi ko talaga mapigilin ang lolo ko na mag-assemble nito. Talagang mas excited pa talaga siya sa akin. At talagang ang saya-saya lang sa feeling na ganito yung aking
Perhaps this is the
makita
bill.
yung bike ko na napakaganda.
How to prepare this? Yes. I didn't receive the bill. Chimushya. In Hebrew. But perhaps also in English.
Ami, yes, and wow. Look at the... Oh, it's very big also, the wheel.
Bigger than the wheel that you have there.
Yes, Ami. Oh, wow.
What is this?
That's why it's so expensive. This is the pedal.
What is this?
For pedal.
Ah,
Oh, it's good.
Michelle, we need to put also this.
To cut it also.
Yes, to cut everything, yes.
You know, I don't know if it is the light is not connected with the electricity. I don't know.
Michelle, 1 minute. I want to put it back. You hold it? Michelle,
Yes, Ami. I don't want to have a scratch my bike.
yes.
Ami, what's this?
1 minute.
What? Gadol.
Hey, Michelle, take it.
Later, only the lock, we need to put it the lock on together. So it will be to stand the bike. We need to cut everything.
Yes.
Medyo hindi na ako nahirapan mag-assemble ng bike nito kasi nga yung una kong bike naging familiar na ako sa parts ng aking bike na tinutupi din. So itong pangalawa kong bike na binili namin ni Lolo ay medyo familiar na ako kaya
But don't
hindi
cut
ako
the
nahirapan
brakes.
mag-assemble nitong bike na to at alam
Look
ko
what
na
you
kung
are
paano
cutting.
mga ilak yung mga
Yes, and here
ito
also.
ay nakatiklop.
I like when you buy a new and something new, I like
Ami,
to look at it. Yes.
what is this? Oh. Oh, what? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Masigang bisbel key.
Here also.
Ami, you see, it's already, the battery is here inside. You put
The battery is inside. Yes.
yes,
I
also
see.
the key is there.
And this is the better battery. Yes.
Yes, can. What I know it's very long, but it's not.
What else we do here? No. Where is to
wait.
put?
Ami, it's there. You see, we need to put it together. We need
No, but I want to put.
Ah.
This.
Oh. And
Only
then,
one side?
No. No, Ami.
Here. Take down this also.
What happened? Wait, Ami, no. No. The lock is put. And then. This is the lock, Ami. When you want to pull it the bike, this is
So you can put it in the also in the car.
Nako. Oh.
We want to make a video, no?
Yes, everything I have. I have a video.
Oh,
Many things.
Michelle, take this also.
Also. Dahil sa excited ng aking lolo, dapat ko daw i-video itong ginagawa namin. You know, Ami,
Yes.
it is also the price of motorcycle in the Philippines.
I don't hear you.
This is the same price in the motorcycle in the
The same price that you buy here in the Philippines?
Yes, the motorcycle also.
Okay. Now we need to put.
Kaya naman talaga pinag-interested ng magdala ko. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung aking bike at talagang
I don't see
mahal
nothing.
ito. At katumbas na nga ito ng isang motorcycle
Michelle, 1
ang
minute.
presyo. Oh, see? And also the lock. Oh. And then you will adjust it.
You can adjust it down.
Yes, like that. This is the
The
last-
downest.
the last?
Put the downest, no?
yes. Okay.
Now we shall put it under the light. It's better.
O, di ba? Pwede na tayo mag-assemble ng mga e-bike at pwede na natin ito maging part-time job. Ayan, so iba talaga yung nagkaroon na ng unang bike kasi nga naging familiar ka na sa parts at kaya naging madali na lang sa akin. What I know is only 20 millimeters.
Now, look now, like it look now. Are you satisfied?
Yes, Ami.
Give me a hug.
Oh, it's a...
Very nice.
Tadara ba, Ami?
Very
And
nice.
now,
So now what we need to put?
the chair.
What is this?
Ami, when you put something,
Yes. I see.
baggage.
I see.
And also the chair, if you put another chair for another person want to ride. Alam niyo ba kaya natagpuan ko yung una kong bike na nanakaw?
Yeah, see how-
ko ng
Oh.
nabili
I like
para
it.
dito sa
I'm
mga
in the sopa.
bagong
It's a good chair, no?
Oh, it's very big. Oh,
Very nice.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, the Yofi. Hey, the Yofi. I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
So So, ito yung feeling na ikaw yung nag-a-assemble ng bike. Kaya talaga, mas maganda pa rin talaga na ipa-deliver mo na ikaw mismo ang mag-assemble.
But before you change it, you look if you good, it's good for you.
Yes, sir.
Sa part na nga ito ay malapit na nating matapos ang pag-assemble sa bike nito, pero na-encounter ko yung naging problema dito sa bike nito kasi nga sobrang laki ng gulong niya at ito yung mataas para sa atin, kaya ito yung naging problema ko dito sa bike na to.
Before closing, look if it's good for you.
Oh, Ami.
It's
Very
too high, no?
high for me. That's the only problem.
It's too high, no? You can.
No, nothing to do. It is nothing to do, Ami.
You are sure?
We need to cut this if you want a little bit low.
1 minute.
Only this, Ami. Say you pull. Nakon? It's
It doesn't go
down.
down.
You see? Nothing. I put it in the.
1 minute. I want to
I
look.
put it in the maximum, Ami.
Aha, correct.
Maximum.
That's the end.
That's the end. Oh, I need to like that. Oh. This is the. I need to have a high heel, Ami. Oh,
What we can do?
that is the problem that we have this bike. This is the bike. It's good. The only
I can tomorrow. I will call them and ask what can we do if we need them a little bit down.
No.
I will ask them.
No, Ami. But only this is to cut. To cut this a little bit so it will be go down.
Okay, let's finish everything.
Nakita niyo ba kung gaano ka-excite kami ng aming amo, kaya talagang ipinagpipray ko itong bike na ito na makita pa.
Here you know.
Charan, ito na nga pala yung bike na inasimbol namin ni Lolo. Nakita nyo ba kung gaano nakaka-inlove ang bike na ito? Sa unang kita ko pa lang at talagang sobrang saya ng aking puso at ngayon ay sobrang sakit pa rin ang pagkawala nito at hindi tayo titigil na hindi ito mabawi.